Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished paper 1 of the topic coordinate geometry of the circle. Today we are going to start paper 2 questions, almost same but little bit lengthy as compared to paper 1. So if you are new on this topic, kindly go to my playlist, watch previous lectures. There is a folder name is Add Math. In my playlist, watch previous lectures. After watching previous lectures, definitely you will have good command. So we are going to start paper 2 exercise 1. You can see the topic of this exercise is point of the intersection of a circle and a straight line. This topic is not new for you because you have already done in your course book chapter number 2 intersection of curve and straight line. So circle is also a curve, so it is very easy topic but important according to examination point of view. Find the coordinates of the points where the line y is equals to 4 minus x square plus y square is equals to 22. Intersect the circle. So this is equation number 1. Y is equals to minus 4x. Put this value of y is equal to minus 4x in equation of a circle. So x square plus 4 minus x square equals to 22. So x square plus expand 4 minus x square, 16 minus 8x plus x square is equals to 22. 2x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 22 is equals to 0. So 2x square minus 8x, 16 minus 22 is minus 6 is equals to 0. Reduce this equation, this quadratic equation in simplest form. So divide the whole equation by 2, you will get x square minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, but this equation cannot be solved by a middle term break method. So we will apply the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4a c square root upon 2a. 4 plus minus 16, 4 3s are 12, minus minus plus, 2 1s are 2, 16 plus 12 is 28, divided by 2. The root of 28 is what? 5.29 upon 2. One value is plus and one value is minus. So first is x is equals to 4 plus 5.29 upon 2 and 4 minus 5.29 upon 2. So what is the answer? Four plus 5.29 divided by 2. The answer is 4.65. Correct to two significant figures. The next is 4 minus 5.29 divided by 2. The answer is negative 0.65. So these are two values of x. Put these values of x in the given straight line equation. Y is equals to minus 4x. Y is equals to 4 minus x. Yes, 4 minus x. Rechecking is very important. 4 minus x. So y is equals to 4 minus x. X is 4.65, the first value. So minus 0.65. So when x is 4.65, then y is minus 0.65. This is the first point of intersection. Second is y is equals to 4 minus x. X is minus 0.65. So the answer is 4.65. So when the value of x is minus 0.65, then the value of y is 4.65. So these 2 points are the points of intersection of a straight line and a circle. So you can see how easy these questions are. This is the topic which we have already covered in our course book. I am talking about only point of intersection, not the whole topic of coordinate geometry of the circle. Move to question number 2. What is this? Again, almost the same question. Find the point of intersection of the line y is equals to 4 and the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 8 is equals to 0. This is very easy question because the y value is given. So just put y in the equation of a circle. X square plus 4 square minus 4x minus 6 into 4 plus 8 is equals to 0. X square plus 16 minus 4x minus 24 plus 8 is equals to 0. X square minus 4x, so 16 and 8, 24, 24 cancel by negative 24. Answer is 0. So x square minus 4x is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 and x is equals to 4 is the answer. So when the value of x is 0, then y is 4, and when the value of x is 4, y is also 4. So this is our answer. Very easy question, but important. Move to question number 3. The circle C has center 3 minus 2 and radius r is 5. Part A. Write down an equation of C. Equations means circle equation. So if we have a center and a radius, then what I told you, we have to use standard form of a circle. That is x minus a square plus y minus b square is equals to r square. So x minus 3 square plus y minus minus plus 2 square is equals to r square. 5 square is 25. This is the answer. So this part is very easy. The next is y is equals to 2x minus 3 intersect C. C means intersect circle at point A and B. Show that the distance of AB is 4 root 5. Very easy. What is the equation of circle we obtained? X minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equals to 25. Put this value of y from straight line y equals to 2x minus 3 in the equation of circle, and now expand. X minus 3 square is x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y is given 2x minus 3 and plus 2 is already present, so y plus 2 whole square means 2x minus 3 plus 2 whole square is equals to 25. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus 2x minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 whole square is equals to 25. Now x square minus 6x plus 9 plus expand this by using a minus b whole square. So 4x square 2 to the minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 25. 4x square plus x square is 5x square minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10x. 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 25 is equals to 0. Minus 10x. 10 minus 25 is minus 15 is equals to 0. Now this equation can easily reduce if we divide the whole equation by 5. So x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x minus 3 plus 1 is common, x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 3 x plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to negative 1 is the values of x. Put these values of x in the equation of a straight line y equals to 2x minus 3. Y equals to 2x minus 3. So y is equals to 2x is 3 minus 3. 2 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3. So first point of intersection is 3 comma 3. Next, y is equals to 2x. X is minus 1 minus 3. So 2 ones are minus 2 minus 3. Y is equals to minus 5. Second point of intersection is when x is minus 1 then y is minus 5. Now according to question we have to find, look at this, show that AB is equals to 4 root 5. So assign the names of these points by A and B and find the distance between them. This is A, this is B. So distance of AB is equals to x2 minus x1 minus minus plus whole square plus y2 minus minus plus whole square. 3 plus 1 4 square is 16. 3 plus 5 is 8 square is 64 and 64 and 16 80. Answer is root 80. And root 80 can be write 16 into 5. And root of 16 is 4 root 5. What was the requirement? See again. Show that distance of AB is 4 root 5. And now see, we have achieved the goal. Distance of AB is 4 root 5 shown. So students, this is our today's class where we did first 3 questions of our exercise. I will try to finish remaining questions of exercise 1 in next lecture. There are 8 questions. So kindly do practice more and more and more. And I request all of you, please do subscribe my channel. I am doing very hard work for you. So at least I have a right to say to you that please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button, because when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many students as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.